The existence of fraudulent qualifications and identity documents is a serious problem in many parts of the world. Additionally, many unrecognized universities consisting of little more than a website offer tempting shortcuts to a degree and certificate. Templates for qualification are printed in the style of medieval manuscripts and adorned with seals and signatures are no longer read in almost countries. They are a way of acquiring prestige, getting jobs, and in some cases, laundering a person's reputation. In order to have third parties to verify the origin of qualifications and identity documents that will be issued to individuals in a fast and effective way, our company, CNC Asia Intellect and High Technology Joint Stock Company, undertook R&D to invent a solution called software generating blockchain QR authentication code for qualifications and certificates as explained below. My presentation today includes 4 paths as you could view here. 1. Let me provide a glimpse into my company's information and key products. 2. You can get an overview about our QR authentication code. And 3. Blockchain technology. And finally, if you are interested in our solution, feel free to reach out to us. CNC Asia Intellect and High Technology Joint Stock Company, or known as CNC Asia, is a technology startup established in May 2020 and based in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. We are proud to be a pioneering enterprise which focuses on solutions for authentication, such as labels containing QR blockchain code and NFC tag, as well as digital transformation solutions for government and businesses. So, what is special about our blockchain QR authentication code? This solution enables colleges and certificate issuance entities to generate a unique QR code for each qualification and certificate based on platform of advanced blockchain technology. Qualification holders and relevant parties could easily authenticate any qualifications from any smartphones. Besides, issuance organizations can ask for the information, smoothly integrate with current database system via API, and Excel file import for data entry is feasible. We strongly believe that our organizations should utilize our solutions to avoid fake qualifications and certificates for 4 reasons. Firstly, it is highly secure thanks to unique features of blockchain technology. Secondly, users can effortlessly authenticate the documents with their available smartphones. Mobile app installation is not required. Thirdly, this solution is affordable for many kinds of organizations due to low running costs. And finally, the software could easily integrate with available systems. So, how could we verify a diploma or language proficiency certificate with our blockchain QR authentication code? You could view a demonstrator model for Japanese language proficiency test JLPT N1 hearing. User needs to have a smartphone ready. Then he scans QR code printed on the qualifications and certificates. Once scanning process is complete, there will be a verification link appearing on smartphone screen. User clicks to view authentication information, including holder's full name, date of birth, etc. However, it must be clarified that since some types of information are private, we highly recommend that issuance organizations provide their holders with a password to lock the unpublicized information such as transcript, home address, bank accounts, etc. As we mentioned above, Our solution was built on a platform called the blockchain technology with impressive features for one, immutability, two, decentralization, three, consensus algorithms, and four, very strong security. Technically, blockchain is not new in the fight against counterfeit in many fields all over the world. Let me raise some examples. In France, LVHM launched a blockchain named Aura for luxury goods, while Ernst and Young Japan collaborates with sake makers in adopting blockchain to track origins of sake bottles and Japanese food. Additionally, Afghan government uses blockchain to combat counterfeit drugs. In Vietnam, our CNC is negotiating with governmental authorities to implement blockchain QR authentication code in issuing any kinds of diploma, degree, certificate, or other private documents, as well as releasing labels containing QR codes for commercial products as well. If you are interested in our solution and seek for collaborative opportunities, please feel free to contact Ms. Yandao or Ms. Sophia, our executive assistant to chairman, to get more information via handphone or email. Thank you for your attention to our presentation for blockchain QR authentication code today.